Hi and welcome back to the channel. In an age dominated by digital information, it's easy to overlook the importance of physical security. We build firewalls in cyberspace, but what about the walls guarding our data centers? These fortresses of information, housing everything from financial transactions to government secrets, are attractive targets for those with malicious intent. Physical security is the first line of defense, the gatekeeper to the digital kingdom. It's the moat around the castle, the walls protecting the city. Without it, even the most sophisticated cybersecurity measures can be rendered useless. A hacker might penetrate firewalls with a few keystrokes, but bypassing a locked door, a vigilant guard, or a concrete barrier requires a different set of skills. The stakes are high. A breach of physical security can lead to data theft, sabotage, or even physical harm. Think of the consequences: stolen identities, crippled infrastructure, or the loss of sensitive national security information. The digital age has made the need for robust physical security measures more critical than ever before. The most visible element of any physical security system is often the human element, security guards. These men and women are the first line of defense, trained to identify suspicious activity, challenge unauthorized individuals, and respond to threats. Their presence alone can act as a deterrent, signaling that the facility is well protected. Guard dogs often complement human guards, their keen senses and imposing presence adding another layer of security. Trained to detect intruders and respond to commands, these canine guardians can patrol large areas, sniff out hidden individuals, and provide an early warning system against potential threats. However, even the most vigilant guard can be vulnerable. Human error, complacency, or even collusion with attackers can compromise security. Criminals may exploit social engineering tactics, impersonate authorized personnel, or exploit shift changes to gain unauthorized access. The effectiveness of guards and dogs relies heavily on their training, vigilance, and the procedures in place to support them. Regular drills, clear communication protocols, and comprehensive security policies are crucial for ensuring these guardians of the gate remain an effective deterrent. The next layer of defense often involves physical barriers designed to deter, delay, and channel potential intruders. These barriers are the first line of physical security, creating a formidable obstacle that signals to potential intruders that the area is well protected and not easily accessible. High fences topped with barbed wire, imposing gates with advanced security features such as keypad entry systems or biometric scanners, and strategically placed concrete barriers create a visible obstacle course for anyone attempting unauthorized entry. These barriers are not just physical deterrents, but also psychological ones, making intruders think twice before attempting to breach them. These barriers serve multiple purposes. They define the perimeter of the secured area, making it clear where authorized access ends and restricted zones begin. This clear demarcation helps in maintaining order and ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive areas. They channel pedestrian and vehicle traffic towards designated entry points, funneling potential threats into areas where they can be monitored and controlled. This controlled access is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that any suspicious activity can be quickly identified and addressed. The effectiveness of physical barriers depends on their design and implementation. A flimsy fence can be easily scaled, providing little to no security, while a poorly lit perimeter can provide cover for intruders. Anti-climb fencing, reinforced gates, and other advanced security features are essential for creating a robust defense system. These elements are rigorously tested to ensure they can withstand various attempts at breaching. Strategic landscaping can also enhance the effectiveness of these barriers. For example, thorny bushes or other difficult-to-navigate plants can be placed around fences to make it even harder for intruders to approach. However, physical barriers alone are rarely enough. Determined attackers can find ways to circumvent even the most imposing walls. Tunneling under, cutting through, or simply climbing over are all possibilities that need to be considered. That's why it's essential to have a comprehensive security strategy. Security footage often shows that intruders will try multiple methods to breach barriers, highlighting the need for a multifaceted approach. Physical barriers are most effective when combined with other security measures, creating a multi-layered defense system that is difficult to breach. Surveillance cameras, security personnel, and advanced monitoring systems work in tandem with physical barriers to provide a robust security solution. This multi-layered approach ensures that even if one layer is compromised, others are in place to detect and respond to threats, making the overall security system much more resilient and effective. Section 4. Eyes in the shadows, CCTV cameras, and alarms. In today's world, where security threats are ever evolving, having a robust surveillance system is more critical than ever. In the digital age, surveillance is a key component of physical security. CCTV cameras are the silent sentinels that keep a watchful eye on our surroundings, ensuring that every corner is monitored. Closed-circuit television, or CCTV cameras, strategically placed throughout a facility and around its perimeter, provide a constant watchful eye, recording activity, and providing valuable evidence in case of an incident. These cameras are meticulously positioned to cover all critical areas, leaving no stone unturned. These electronic eyes serve as both a deterrent and an investigative tool. The mere presence of CCTV cameras can make potential wrongdoers think twice before committing any unlawful acts. The knowledge that their actions are being recorded can dissuade potential intruders, while the footage they capture can help identify perpetrators after a breach. This dual functionality makes CCTV cameras indispensable in modern security setups. Modern CCTV systems offer high-resolution images, night vision capabilities, and even facial recognition technology, enhancing their effectiveness. These advanced features ensure that surveillance is not compromised, even in low-light conditions or when identifying individuals in a crowd. Alarms, often integrated with CCTV systems, provide an audible warning when a security breach is detected. This integration ensures a swift response, as the alarm immediately alerts security personnel to the exact location of the breach. Motion sensors, door contacts, and broken glass detectors can all trigger alarms, alerting security personnel to potential threats in real time. These sensors are the first line of defense, detecting any unusual activity and ensuring that no threat goes unnoticed. However, CCTV cameras and alarms are only as effective as the systems and personnel monitoring them. A vigilant and well-trained security team is essential to respond promptly to any alerts and to analyze footage for any suspicious activity. Blind spots, camera malfunctions, and delayed response times can all undermine their effectiveness. It's crucial to regularly assess and address these vulnerabilities to maintain a secure environment. Regular maintenance, comprehensive coverage, and a well-trained security team are crucial for maximizing the value of these surveillance systems. Routine checks ensure that all equipment is functioning correctly and that any potential issues are addressed promptly. In conclusion, CCTV cameras and alarms are vital components of a robust security system, providing both deterrence and evidence to keep facilities safe and secure. Section 5. Silent guardians, motion sensors, and man-traps. While visible security measures like guards and fences act as deterrents, more subtle technologies work behind the scenes to detect and control access. These technologies are often the unsung heroes of modern security systems, working tirelessly to ensure that only authorized personnel can navigate through the facility. Motion sensors, strategically placed in corridors, stairwells, and around sensitive areas, detect movement when the facility is in lockdown mode, triggering an alarm or activating other security measures. These sensors are designed to be highly sensitive, capable of distinguishing between different types of movement, such as the difference between a human and an animal, to reduce false alarms. Man-traps, small enclosed vestibules with interlocking doors, provide a controlled entry point to sensitive areas. These systems are often used in conjunction with other security measures to create a multi-layered defense strategy. Only one door can be opened at a time, and access is typically granted through a combination of authentication methods, such as keycards, PIN codes, or biometric verification. This ensures that even if one layer of security is compromised, the intruder cannot proceed without passing through additional checks. These silent guardians offer a significant advantage. They operate discreetly, detecting and responding to unauthorized access attempts without alerting the intruder. This stealthy operation is crucial in preventing potential intruders from realizing they have been detected, giving security personnel the upper hand. This allows security personnel to respond quickly and apprehend the individual before they can cause significant damage or gain access to sensitive areas. The element of surprise is a powerful tool in security, and these systems ensure that it is always on the side of the defenders. However, like any technology, motion sensors and man-traps can be vulnerable to malfunction or circumvention. Issues such as power failures, software glitches, or physical damage can compromise their effectiveness. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial for ensuring their effectiveness. This includes routine checks, software updates, and physical inspections to identify and rectify any potential issues before they can be exploited. Additionally, attackers may attempt to exploit blind spots, disable sensors, or use social engineering tactics to bypass these systems. It is essential for security teams to stay vigilant and continuously update their strategies to counteract these evolving threats. By combining advanced technology with human oversight, facilities can create a robust security environment that is difficult to penetrate. In this chapter, we will explore additional security measures that complement traditional systems, adding extra layers of protection and accountability. These include drones, body-worn cameras, safe rooms, lockdown systems, tamper-evident seals, bulletproof glass, and access logs. Drones provide aerial surveillance, offering a bird's-eye view of the premises. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging, they can cover large areas quickly and efficiently, identifying potential threats from above. These unmanned aerial vehicles can be programmed to follow predefined routes or controlled manually by security personnel, making them versatile tools for both routine monitoring and emergency situations. Body-worn cameras are used by security personnel to record their interactions and ensure accountability. These devices not only serve as a deterrent to potential wrongdoers, but also provide valuable evidence in case of incidents. The footage captured can be reviewed to ensure compliance with protocols and to investigate any claims or disputes that may arise. Safe rooms are fortified spaces designed to protect individuals during emergencies. Constructed with reinforced materials and equipped with communication devices, these rooms offer a secure refuge in case of an intrusion, natural disaster, or other threats. Safe rooms are strategically placed within facilities to ensure quick and easy access during critical situations. Lockdown systems can secure the facility quickly in case of a threat. These systems can automatically lock doors, secure windows, and restrict access to certain areas, effectively containing the threat and preventing it from spreading. Integrated with other security measures, lockdown systems provide a rapid response mechanism that can be activated with the push of a button. Tamper-evident seals are used to detect unauthorized access to secure areas or containers. These seals are designed to show clear signs of tampering, alerting security personnel to potential breaches. Whether used on doors, lockers, or sensitive equipment, tamper-evident seals add an extra layer of security by making it difficult for intruders to go unnoticed. Bulletproof glass is another critical component, providing a robust barrier against ballistic threats. This glass is designed to withstand high-impact forces, ensuring the safety of individuals behind it. Access logs track entries and exits, providing a detailed record of who accessed specific areas and when. These logs are essential for auditing and can help identify unauthorized access attempts. By integrating these advanced security measures, facilities can create a comprehensive and multi-layered defense strategy. Each component plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall security posture, ensuring that both visible and invisible threats are effectively managed. Let's wrap it up for today. I hope you learned something new from this video. See you in the next one.